In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule posts on x.com, formerly Twitter, so you can write your post now and have it publish automatically at the exact time you choose. This is super useful if you want to stay consistent, plan content in advance, or post at the best time for engagement without having to be online when it goes live. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open x.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the homepage, click the post button to open the composer. Now type out your tweet just like you normally would. You can add text, links, emojis, or anything else you want included in the post. After your tweet is ready, look at the bottom row of the composer toolbar. This is where you'll find the schedule option. Click the calendar icon to open the scheduling menu. Once the scheduling window appears, choose the exact month, day, year, and time you want your post to go live. Take a moment to double check the date and time, especially if you're posting for a specific event, launch, or audience time zone. When everything looks correct, click confirm. After you confirm, you'll notice a timestamp at the top of your draft showing that the post is scheduled. This lets you know X has saved the date and time you selected. At this point, all that's left to do is click the schedule button in the bottom right corner. Once you do that, your post will be saved and automatically published at the scheduled time. That's it. You've now learned how to schedule a post on x.com step by step. This is one of the easiest ways to plan content ahead and keep your account active without manual posting. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.